Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in crop insurance with American Farm Bureau, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin investing in crop insurance with American Farm Bureau, familiarize yourself with the basics of crop insurance. Understand the importance of crop insurance in protecting your agricultural investments. Research the types of crop insurance available, such as actual production history and revenue protection. Visit the American Farm Bureau website to access detailed information about their crop insurance offerings. Locate the nearest American Farm Bureau office or agent who can assist you in person. Schedule a consultation with a local agent to discuss your specific farming needs and options. Prepare necessary documentation, including your farm's production history and financial records. Ask questions during your consultation to fully understand policy terms, coverage limits, and premium costs. Take time to evaluate different coverage options and determine which best suits your farm's risk profile. Once you've made a decision, complete the application process with your agent. Ensure you read the policy carefully before signing to avoid any surprises. Pay attention to key dates, such as enrollment periods and premium payment deadlines. Keep records of all communications and documents related to your crop insurance policy. Stay informed about market conditions and potential changes that could impact your coverage. Consider attending workshops or webinars hosted by American Farm Bureau for additional education. After obtaining your policy, regularly review it to ensure it meets your evolving needs. Engage with your local Farm Bureau for ongoing support and resources available to you as a policyholder. By following these steps, you will be well on your way to investing in crop insurance with American Farm Bureau effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.